So, today we'll be making not the Ice Queen again today. We'll be making a demon. Double demon, I don't know. So, you will need black and red. These will do. This isn't actually red, but it'll do. Okay, first, take the black and I'll show you. And do this on both ears. Just rub it in. They just look dirty, but still, it works. I forgot to do it. Just a sec. Maybe a little bit darker over here. And let me do the other ear for a second. There we go. Next, put red. That's it. Okay, that's how you do it. Just do it real quick. There we go. Now I'm gonna splatter more black everywhere. There we go, and you're done. I should probably see it. I don't see it that much because it's dropped. Yeah. Only in my view, okay, but just do what I do, okay? And you'll see it from yeah. Man, this is for 2 minutes only, but okay. Bye. Wait, is that yeah? Every time we do that, okay? Where are you? Okay. Even. Okay. Well, next stop. Next time, I'll show you how to make a dress for only your types. Your type. Yeah. 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 Sorry, you. Eek. It got out of here. It dropped. Where is it? Is it there? Okay, great. Just a second. Okay, that's better. Goodness gracious. Beautiful. I love you all. Yay. Bye bye. Did you see me? Hopefully. I don't know. Okay, bye.